Yo guys, what is up? What is up? This is the Bible, the God's story and word. This is Afrikaans, so for all my Afrikaans means, so this is for you. Die wolke het baie bang geword toe hulle hoor hoe die donder weer rammel, die trompet geblaas word en sien hoe die rook uit die berg borrel. Hulle het op 'n afstand gaan staan. That is a great piece of message for you guys. If life rumbles, stand aside a little bit. Admire the mess. Think about what you're gonna do. Same as work. Take a breath. Relax. Then go for it. It's always the small things that matter. Always the small improvements that matter. And that is straight out of the Bible, of God's word. So yeah guys, have a great one. Peace.